Hello everyone, welcome to class 4 EVS. Today we will start with a new lesson, Anida and the honeybees. I will show you a video. Have you ever seen these insects? Yes, this is honeybees. In this chapter, we will learn about Anida and honeybees. So let's begin with first paragraph. My name is Anida Kushwaha. I live in Bachaha village. This is in Muzaffarpur district in Bihar. I stay with my parents and two younger brothers. I study in college. Besides studying, I teach young children. I also keep honeybees. All this has not been easy for me. When I was young, I used to spend all my time with my goats as they grazed for food. I always wanted to go to school, but my parents did not like the idea of girls going to school. So, we have read about a girl named Anida Kushwaha and she lives in Bochaha village, which is located in Muzaffarpur district in Bihar. So, now we want to mark where is Bihar on the map of India. Let's look at the map. Now you can see two maps here. In first map you can see Bihar on Indian map. That yellow colored state is Bihar. And in the second map you can see Bihar state and Muzaffarpur district. That yellow colored district is Muzaffarpur, where Anida lives. Do you know which is the capital of Bihar? Yes, Patna is the capital of Bihar. And do you remember which is the capital of Rajasthan? Which we discussed in the fourth chapter? Yes, Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. So, Anida stays in Buchaha village with her parents and the two younger brothers. Now, Anida is in college and apart from studies, she also keeps honeybees as well as teaches younger children. Now, she is telling that all these she doing now were not easy for her because when she was young, she used to spend all her time by grazing the goat. She wanted to study, but in some part of our country, people had a mentality that girls should not go to school and they should not study. Anida's parents also had the same mentality, so they didn't allow her to go to school. Actually, this is a true story, and Anida is a girl star. A Girl Star is a project which tells extraordinary tales of ordinary girls who change their lives by going to school. So, as I said, in some parts of our country, people had the mentality that girls should not go to school and they should not study. So, there is a project called Girl Stars which encourage girls' extraordinary power. Anida is also a girl star. Now, let's read ahead. One day, I peeped into the school in our village. I could not stay away. I silently went and sat down behind the children. I felt so happy. I went home and picked up courage to talk to my parents about going to school. But they told me clearly that I could not do so. That day I cried and cried. So, we all are so lucky because we can go to school without any problem. But what about Anida in this story? Anida really want to go to school, but she was not allowed to go to school. She had a lot of desire to go to school. That is why one day she peeped into the school and she could not stay away. So she silently went and sat down behind the children. And she felt so happy. After that, she also tried to convince her parents. But they told her clearly that she could not do so. She could not go to school. She became very sad and cried aloud. One of the teacher in my village explained to my parents why it is important to study. The teacher told them that they would not have to pay anything for my education up to class 8. The teacher said that it was the right of every child to go to school. Somehow my parents agreed. I started going to school. I did not get high marks, but I always asked many questions. So, one day a teacher in her village came to her house and explained the importance of education to her parents. We know education is really very important because only through the education we can change the world. So the teacher told that it was the right of every child to study and the government give provisions that education up to class 8 is a right of every child and the parents do not have to pay anything for it. So somehow her parents agreed and she started going to school. Staying in school. Time passed and soon I completed class 5th. I knew that we would need to spend more in class 6th. My parents said that it was time for me to leave school, but I wanted to study more. I found a way to do this. I started to teach younger children. From the money that I got, I was able to continue my own studies. So, what happened? As the time passed, Anida completed her class 5th and now she knew that it would be needed more money in the class 6th. And her parents said that she wanted to leave the school now because they cannot afford so much. But Anida started to teach the younger children to get money for her studies. By this, she continued her studies. One sweet memory. I remember some older boys in my village also used to teach young children. They did not like it when I started teaching. They started to scold and scare the children so that they would not come to me. For some time, all the children except two stopped coming to me. But soon they all came back because I used to teach them with very love and care. So, when Anida started to teach the children and make own money, some of the boys in her village scolded and scared the children to stop them to go to Anida, because they also used to teach the younger children, so they didn't like it. But within few days, all the children came back to study from Anida, because she taught them with a lot of love and care. So, today we learned about Anida, who worked hard for her studies. Anida's story does not end here. We will continue the story in the next class. Thank you.